7:30 in the morning. Whenever you have a kid, that's kind of the time you have to clean up your cars. So that's what I'm doing. Bright and early, I would say 7:30 in the morning. Today we are cleaning the engine bay because it's pretty bad and I need to clean up because I'm quite sure some stuff, which I don't want to say the name, was leaving that engine bay for a little while, but I hope it's not leaving there anymore. We're gonna find out. Of course, you guys know we did headlights, LED headlights, low and high beams. We cleaned the interior. I bought this cover here because, you know, it was cheap, and there's like pockets here and it was looking better. Sorry, my dog was here, so that's why, but it's still super clean. I drove this car for a little while. We cleaned the seats, which we definitely need new seats. I cannot deal with this seat anymore. And pretty much it. Today we are cleaning up the engine bay. Very simple process. I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this engine cleaner. I got 2 cans because you never know how bad it is. And also we're gonna protect with the engine protector. As far as I know, those are really good products. I got my new hose. Dude, this hose here, it's a life change. If you need a hose, I try many different hoses, so this one is the best one so far. There's a link in the description below if you want to buy it. You're not gonna regret. And of course, a couple of brushes, and should be it. The funny thing is though, I'm kind of, loving this car more and more. Look at this. Look at how bad it is. So we're gonna clean it up. Here's the thing about engine bay, all right? I'm not gonna show how to because there are a bunch of videos. I'm just showing my process of doing it, right? We're gonna cover the alternator and also the battery compartment, and that's it. The engine pretty much can take water. It's waterproofed. Of course it is, otherwise you could not drive your car on the rain. As long as you don't put a lot of pressure, a lot of water in like electronic components like this, like that, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can see I cover the alternator. Let's remove this. And the reason why I said maybe something was leaving here, look at this. Bro, look at this. That's the bad thing of, leaving your car outside. And of course my hood liner, it's gone. I'm gonna get a new one. So if you guys have one for sale, otherwise I'll look online, but I'll definitely get a new one. I'll just clean this one for now because the Corvette emblem is gone. Probably whatever was living here was eating this part. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the blower just to get rid of this kind of initial dirty and grime and all the kind of stuff, right? And then we're gonna apply the engine cleaner. Let's see for a while, use the brush, repeat the process as many times as we need to, and then protect with the engine protector. It's pretty straightforward though. Yeah, my backpack blower just broke, so that's what I have. Just blowing that crap out, it was like life-changing. Now we're gonna apply, let me just fix this on the alternator. I don't want this thing to get wet. I mean, it could get wet. I could remove it though, but I'm not doing this. Not right now because I have bigger plans for the engine. But right now we're gonna apply this bad boy here. As far as directions say, you should just, apply and let's see for a little while and use a brush. Well, of course the engine, it's cool because it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I just removed the car from the garage, so there's nothing to worry about there. You can apply as much as you want and leave it for like 10 minutes. So let's go. I'm glad that I got 2 cans. I don't know if you guys can hear, like the product is working so well. Look at that, like getting all that greasy and dirty out of it. It's just like ridiculous. No, I'm gonna use a brush just a little bit, and we're gonna wait for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse this first one, and maybe I'll do another one. We'll see, but so far it's looking better. This is the brush that I normally use to clean my tires. That's the one I'm using. Has been about 12-15 minutes, so I'm gonna rinse once, and then we'll see how that looks like, but I'll probably do that one more time. Dude, that's just once. I mean, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do one more time because the engine needs to be dry, at least that's what they say. But you see what happened here is like a kind of glue. I'll try to get rid of it. I don't know how, but look how bad it is. It's just, dude, look at this. See, I think it can clean that. Let's see, let's try to give it a try. I apply one more time just because some parts were really bad. I think it's gonna go way better though. Not perfect, but way better. I got all of those crap, which I don't even know what it was, to be honest. While we are waiting for this to dry and to work on the engine, I have been thinking about what to do with the C5. Right now the C5 market is pretty hot. I don't see cars like this going for less than 13,000-14,000 if you find it. Like, and I'm talking about cars with 100,000, 150,000 miles on it. I'm thinking about to sell and make some profit of it, and then applying other stuff, maybe buy other car, a different car than a Corvette, since my main Corvette is my C6. That was my first Corvette. You know, I had so much experience on that car with my wife. Like, we drove to Texas, we drove back. I did basically everything by myself in that car. I think I can say that I did 98% by myself on that car. Let's say 95%. But I'm pretty proud to say that I did a bunch of stuff on that car, since I never touched a Corvette before that one. I can keep this car, but I don't want to make my C6 is kind of my show car. I can take it to a track. It's fast enough that I can take it to a track. I can take it to a show car. It, you know, looks nice. It's kind of a car that can do it all. But this car, I don't want to go on the same road though. That's why I was thinking maybe if I keep this car, maybe build a race car. So I'm one of the things on my bucket list is to have a track day car. I don't know if it's gonna be my C6 or another car, but I really I mean, start looking to take class to go to the track, not drag race though, like a track course kind of thing. And I want to take my own car. I don't want to rent a car. I know that's a lot of headache you got to deal with a race car, but maybe this is the option for. Otherwise, I think I can. I will still do more things, like I'm gonna put a windows tint. I'm gonna change the seats. And I don't know, then I need to make a decision. If I want to make money, it's time to sell it. The way this car is turning out, I think I can make a pretty good amount of money on it. And I'm not selling for like more than the car is worth. It's just the market right now. It's pretty crazy. It's hard to find one with 36,000 miles on it though. So you're probably gonna see ones with 100,000 miles. It's damn crazy, this market right now. I don't know, a couple more touch and it would be ready to sell it, and then I can buy a race car or just transform this one. So I just need to share that with you guys because that's what I have thinking. Content with this thing is crazy. You guys are loving it. Of course, my channel is not super big, but I can see when we get views. And I thought when we were posting C5 stuff, I would not get the same views like the my C6 or even the my truck. So that was crazy. So it's also bringing content to the channel. Many options out there, but I need to make a decision really soon, so I hope you guys can help me. All right, now I'm gonna rinse it off and wait to dry, and then we're gonna apply the protection. It has been like half hour. It's dry, you see. It is not perfect, but we're gonna make this thing shine, I hope. So one layer before putting the covers on, and you don't need to do anything. You can do a detailing with it, but if you keep just like apply and let's see, it should like come up nice. At least it smells pretty good. Alright, it has been like 2 hours because I had to stop to finish my work, which actually paid the bills. But dude, look at this. Hell yeah, brother. Dude, this thing is like, it's a brand new engine. What do you think, Mia? What do you think? What do you think? Do you like the engine? Oh my gosh, dude. Listen, you know, it's not perfect at all, but this would do. Look at how shiny it is. It's still a little wet, but it's gonna get dry. And look at that color. Man, I love it. I do love it. Pretty simple stuff that changes the car completely. Now I feel like we are talking about a Corvette. The way a Corvette should be. The interior is clean. The engine bay is clean. And now we are good to move on to the next steps. Probably doing a windows tint because driving this thing on the sun, it's pretty hot, gets pretty hot. I'm gonna replace the side lights. I don't know how they call that, but I will replace that. I want like a clear lens with switchbacks, which by the way, I just got switchbacks again for the truck, so that's coming soon. But dude, that's it. We did it. One more for the books. This thing looks pretty clean and should be it for now. Also, I'll do the calipers though. The calipers is also coming. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you wanna support the channel, there's a link for HardWorkforce in the description below. Couple new stuff there, you're gonna love it. Check it out, support the channel, and work hard for whatever you want, so we are together in this journey. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.